Just we discuss the equation of continuity. In that, law of conservation is holds good. Then applying the Kirchhoff's law, then we get the one equation, that is the equation of continuity. Then we move towards the next point, that is a discussion on equation of continuity. In that, what happen? In a case of DC circuit of steady current, the inward flow of charges is equal to outward flow of charges throughout the closed surface. Hence, rho of dou of rho v by dou t is equal to 0. The equation of continuity becomes del dot j bar is equal to 0. To the, in case of AC circuit, in that steady current, in that what happen? Current inward flow of charges is equal to outward flow of charges throughout that closed surface. So we get that equation of continuity equation becomes del dot j bar is equal to 0. For that, we have to consider the AC circuit with a capacitor. Consider a closed surface encloses only one plate of the capacitor. It is clear that whenever there is any current flow into closed surface, it is not by simultaneously current flow throughout outward surface. It is a reverse and also holds good for the current flow out of the surface. But del dot j bar is 0 to holds good as per the equation above. So that the current inflow must be simultaneously is equal to current outflow at any instant of time. Thus, the condition del dot j bar is fails in this case. In that steady state current, the charges are inward is equal to charges are outward throughout that closed surface. During the positive half cycle, say that capacitor plate and the attached conductor, there will be inward flow to the closed surface but not outward flow. During the positive half cycle means the current is flowing throughout the positive direction, plus and minus. The positive half cycle, here capacitor, in that capacitor plate charges are present and that is attached to the conductor. There will be in that inward current is flow but not the outward current is flow. Thus, in the order to discuss the equation of continuity, Maxwell introduced the concept of displacement current density. The next is displacement current. In that displacement current, what happen? Just one equation is there, that in that displacement current, the correction, Maxwell made that correction. In that equation, he will be added two terms. One is j bar, another one is j bar plus dou d bar. In that equation, he add and correct that equation, and that equation in becomes the electrical current density. The displacement current is associated with magnetic current, but it is not describe the flow of charges. We have to see that derivation, Maxwell's Ampere's law. Introducing the concept of displacement current for time varying circuit, the Maxwell suggested correction to the Ampere's law according to Gauss law. Here one equation is there, Ampere's law. Just Maxwell in that added the two terms and correct that Ampere's law, so that the equation called is as Maxwell's Ampere's law. So we have to first consider the Gauss law. We know that Gauss law in electrostatic, that is a del dot j bar is equal to rho of v. Just we differentiate this equation, we get dou by dou t del dot d bar is equal to dou v by dou t. Then arranging this term, del as it is, dou d bar by dou t is equal to dou rho v by dou t. Then we know the equation of continuity equations, that equations of continuity equation is given by del dot j bar is equal to minus dou rho v by dou t. In that we know the equation, here rho v equation is del dot d bar. Where rho v is present, we have to put that equation del dot d bar. Rho v is there, just we put del dot d bar. Then take del outside, then remaining term is dou d bar by dou t. In this equation, Maxwell he just added the two terms, that is a del cross h bar is equal to j bar plus dou d bar divided by dou t. Just in that added the h bar and j bar equation. Hence the time varying circuit del dot j bar divergence of current density is equal to 0 does not holds good. At instead, in that this equation is not holds good, for that equation, instead of this equation, we have to add del dot j bar plus dou d bar by dou t is equal to 0 has to be used. And also j bar in a ampere circuital law. The j bar, this equation in becomes the ampere circuital law is given by del cross h bar is equal to j bar. Here cross product means that is a curl. Del curl of h bar is equal to j bar has to be replaced. This equation is replaced to j bar plus dou d bar by dou t. Thus this equation is known as the Maxwell Ampere's law, that is given by del cross h bar is equal to j bar plus dou d bar by dou t. Here dou d bar by dou t, this equation becomes the displacement current. Next we have to see expression for displacement current. In that we have to consider the AC circuit containing a capacitor as shown in the figure. Here this symbol is represented as the AC circuit and two capacitor plates are present. These capacitor plates having the cross section of area, that is A, and current is flowing throughout like this. These symbols are represented as the IC current is flowing throughout this. And here this circuital potential having Vs sin omega t. Just we discuss this theorem or derivation one by one. The displacement current in terms of displacement current, then displacement current density is given by id is equal to dou d bar by dou t into A. A is the area of the cross section, d bar is a current density, and with respect to time t, id is a displacement current density. The here A is the area of the cross section of the plate, capacitor plate. The flux density D is given by D is equal to epsilon into E. E is an electrical field strength which is given by E is equal to V by D. Then here D is an potential. D is an separation between these two plates, and V is an potential. So that value is V is equal to Vs e raised to j omega t. That is equation number 4. Then compare these three equation, or we take these three equation. In that, let us consider take this equation number 2. D is equal to epsilon into E. We take this equation, add the E value, that is V by D. Here add the E value V by D. Then we get that equation is D is equal to E into V by D. Then put the value of V, that is Vs e raised to j omega t. E by d take common, E by t take side, then put the value of V, that is Vs e raised to j omega t. That is equation number 5. Then substitute this D value in the equation 1. We get id is equal to dou by dou t, take outside, D value is epsilon divided by D Vs e raised to j omega t. Put this value here with respect to time t into A. Then this equation differentiate, then we get the displacement current, that is id is equal to j omega E A divided by D Vs e raised to j omega t. That is equation number 6. Then here Maxwell's equations, we have to discuss the theorems in terms of electrostatic, magnetostatic, Faraday's law and Maxwell's Ampere's law. These equations are the 4 equations of Maxwell's. which is the time varying field. Then this equation, see one by one. One is a Gauss law of electrostatic. In that we discuss this theorem. In that Gauss law of electrostatic, that is given by del dot d bar into is equal to rho of V. Then Faraday's law, del cross E bar is equal to minus dou B bar by dou T. E is an electrical field, B is an a magnetic field. Gauss law of magnetic field, that is a divergence of magnetic field is equal to 0. The divergence of magnetic field is equal to 0 is called as Gauss law of magnetic field. Then Maxwell's Ampere's law, just we derive this equation in that displacement current, just in that Ampere's law, Maxwell add the two terms, that is H bar and J bar. Then we get that equation named by Maxwell's Ampere's law, that is a del cross H bar is equal to J bar plus dou D bar plus by dou T. Then fourth Maxwell equation for static field could be written as del dot D bar is equal to rho of V, del cross E bar is equal to minus dou B bar by dou T, del dot D B bar is equal to 0. Divergence of magnetic field, divergence of current density, that is equal to rho of V, del dot B bar is equal to 0, del cross H bar is equal to J bar plus dou D bar by dou T. This above equation, these all the equation we have to use it in the electromagnetic waves.